Have you ever pondered over the idea of dimensions? How does the universe decide to function in 3 dimensions and not 4, 5, or even 6? How does the universe, or for that matter, any mathematical equation, know what unit is being used? Welcome to the intriguing world of dimensions and dimensional analysis. Dimensions, in the most basic terms, represent the measurable extent of a particular kind in a physical quantity. In simpler words, it's the unit used to define the nature of the physical quantity. For example, when you measure the length of a table, you use meters. Here, the meter is the dimension of length. Similarly, time has the dimension of seconds, mass has the dimension of kilograms, and so on. Now imagine if the universe operated in a different number of dimensions, say 5 instead of 3. What would that look like? Well, it's tough to visualize since we're so used to living in a 3-dimensional world. But scientists and mathematicians often explore such possibilities to understand the universe better. Dimensional analysis, on the other hand, is a tool that allows us to convert from one unit of a physical quantity to another. It helps ensure that our equations make sense, both mathematically and physically. Think of it as a check and balance system for the mathematical world. Consider a simple equation. Distance equals speed times time. Here, the dimension of distance is length L, speed is length per time LT, and time is, well, time t. So when you multiply the dimensions of speed and time, you get length, which is the dimension of distance. This shows that the equation is dimensionally correct. But what if the equation didn't match up? What if you had an equation where the dimension on the left did not equal the dimension on the right? That would mean there's something fundamentally wrong with the equation. It's like trying to say that a kilogram equals a meter. It just doesn't make sense, right? That's where dimensional analysis comes in, serving as a tool to check the validity of equations and physical laws. Now, to summarize, dimensions are the units used to define the nature of physical quantities. They help us understand the universe and the rules it operates under. Dimensional analysis, on the other hand, is a tool that checks the validity of these rules, ensuring that our mathematical and physical equations make sense. So, the next time you look at a mathematical equation or a physical law, remember to check its dimensions. You'll find that it not only helps you understand the equation better, but also provides a deeper insight into the workings of our universe. And who knows, maybe one day you might even discover a new dimension, a new perspective that changes our understanding of the universe forever. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning, because the universe is a vast, fascinating place, and there's always something new to discover.